It's not a stretch to say that architectural shingles, also called dimensional shingles, have become the new standard of roofing material. But is the reason it's so popular and the reason that everyone buys it because it's the best option, or because simply everyone else already has it? Today, we're going to be discussing the pros and cons of architectural asphalt shingles so that you can decide for yourself. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. Pro, cost effective. Now, starting off with possibly the number one reason that most people choose architectural asphalt shingles, and that's its cost effectiveness. Pound for pound, when you're talking about how much money you're spending on that architectural asphalt shingle roof compared to how many years you're getting out of that roof system, it's one of the best materials out there. In terms of that cost effectiveness, while it does fluctuate in price, currently architectural asphalt shingles will run around the $5 to $6 range. And they'll get you around 20 to 30 years of life with proper maintenance. Con, very common. Now, with architectural shingles being such a popular choice, it does come with the downside that if you choose to have architectural shingles, chances are your neighbors will, and their neighbors will, and just about everybody else will have architectural asphalt shingles. Now, this is not to say that architectural roofs look bad. They don't by any stretch of the imagination. However, if one of your main priorities with a new roof system is having your roof pop out in your neighborhood, it might not be the choice for you. However, there's still an option. Pro, customizable. Architectural asphalt shingle roofs come in many different color options. There are two big reasons why you see that signature gray look on just about every home. The first reason is that it's about the default option, so if a homeowner doesn't care too much about what color their roof is, that's what they're going to end up with. The second reason is because gray is a neutral color, it goes well with just about any home. Now, if you do want your roof to stick out, there are different color options that you can choose. The great thing about architectural asphalt shingle color options in particular, because they're the most popular roofed option, manufacturers give them a lot of love. So compared to something that's a little more niche like a standing seam metal roof, you're a lot more likely to find that particular shade of color that you're searching for. And unlike the other popular asphalt shingle option, the 3-tap shingle, architectural shingles are not going anywhere anytime soon. Chances are, if you need more shingles replaced later down the line, you're still going to have the same color options available to where there's not going to be an egregious difference besides the simple thing that you can't control, which is shingles fading in color over time. Con, vulnerable to hail. This one is going to vary in severity depending on where you live. Compared to other roofing materials, architectural asphalt shingles have a higher chance of being compromised by severe hailstorms. When a big hailstorm rolls through just about any area, there's a high chance that a lot of the architectural roofs in that area are going to be left with bruises, which is roofing slang for dark spots left behind by hail impacts. The silver lining about when this happens is that you're not going to have to eat the cost of an entire roof replacement. Instead, you'll have to go through the insurance process as long as your roof is covered under your homeowner's insurance policy to replace that roof. Certainly, it's not ideal, but it's leagues better than having to pay for an entire new roof out of pocket. Pro, easy to repair. Lastly, a nice benefit for architectural asphalt roofs is that compared to other roofing materials, they're one of the easiest roofs to repair. The shingles themselves are a little easier to work with, and the supply for architectural shingles is plentiful. That, combined with many other factors, makes it to where when you do have a roof that needs to be repaired, it's going to be cheaper because of the reduced labor cost. This translates to over the decades where you have your roof, you're going to save a lot of money over time just by saving money on those repairs. There you have it. Hopefully now you have a better idea of why those architectural asphalt shingles are so popular, but also some of the things you might have to deal with if you choose architectural asphalt shingles. Now, no matter what roofing material you go with, you're going to need a good roofing contractor to install it. So, to learn more information about that, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on how to hire a good roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can spread more helpful information to homeowners like yourself, and we'll see you next time.